What's up, y'all? Today we're recording a whole car cruise, a whole vlog style, I guess, video on these glasses. I want to see how they do. I want to see how it sounds. And it's going to be like cropped a bit in like the regular, I guess, 4:3 aspect ratio. So let's just see how this looks and see how the vlog does, see the cars, all that stuff. So stay tuned. Let's go. Oh, yeah. M430i. And these two bad boys. Let's go inside, get a coffee and some food. Oh,
I was always Corvette fan in the grade when I was.
Check the air pressure. Maybe I'll crank it up to 33. Damn. I love the matte.
Mid 60s?
No, go down. 17.
Okay, I mean you can't tell anyways if it's older or newer.
Yeah, you cannot tell. They look the same.
How many kilometers?
130.
Okay.
Yeah. I got the extended warranty 2 years.
Yeah.
So.
Wait, when did you get this?
Like 3-4 months ago.
Oh, okay. Also, it's new.
Hello, hello. First stop, suck my balls. Here we go, lads. I'm in third in formation. We got the F-Type behind me. We got the Beamer behind him. I don't know where we're going. We're going to Ghost Lake. Rip it. What the fuck? Damn. And just when I thought I got it to fall in love with Tennessee.
Microfiber tower, you know? Really absorbent. Microfiber tower is good to wipe out, you know? Makes no stretch.
Yeah, it was fucking like, oh shit, that's a sick pole. That's a sick Porsche.
There's another Corvette there. Yeah, and I don't know what kind of Porsche, but
That thing
pretty
is
sweet.
that thing is nasty. Look at that thing. That Porsche is sick.
Oh, right, so that's an RWB, man.
In general,
That's
I think
sick.
the lesson is we start earlier, like the other car group, like 7 a.m. There's no traffic.
Trucker Lounge pit stop. Radio's on. Let's get it. Yo, there's a car meet over there. Should we? Should we?
I gotta ask them, do I go on a cruise?
I think it's just a group of people, friends.
Same team comp, Mustang and a Corvette.
There's a 5-liter though.
What's less fast?
The mountains, baby. Traffic though.
Yeah, after this camper passes us on the left.
Holy shit, the wind. Woo! Look at these views, baby. Damn. Oh my god, they're all just standing there. What's up, guys? Hello. These beautiful roads. It's windy as hell. Why are we slowing down? Little bathroom break for the boys. Bike gang.
Rubber engine still goes away.
That's a nice steak right there.
Goodbye. Those look like regular cows.
Oh, hell no. Damn, they just scaled that wall like easy. Chuck Wagon Cafe. Nice. No.
It's good.
Just looking. It's good?
Yeah.
What'd you guys get? Is it? Oh, yeah. Really? Oh, no.
That was an issue, but food's really good.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I got the Rayban. It's a special for Saturday.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
I got the burritos.
So everything is great here.
This is what the menu is. Oh, so you park far.
Where?
So you can walk them down this way. Because it had the scoop in the hood.
Oh.
They're both Z06s. Wow. Two Z06s. You see, you're saying you don't see enough today.
This is Corvette country, boys.
There's two.
Woo! Sweating bullets.
You want to sit on the patio? Okay.
Big Sky BBQ Pit, baby.
Hidden gem alert.
Woo! Hidden gem alert.
Are you gonna film video or what?
I'm already filming. There's ice cream here too after. Sheesh. From Big Sky to Big Scoops. Not a bad idea.
Indeed. I've actually never tried that.
Alberta's best patio. Wow.
I've actually never been on the patio. It might be worth it.
Yeah. What happened?
Wait outside?
Please wait. Uh-oh. Crickets. Grab it yourself type shit. 108. Oh, I think that's probably ours. Hey, 108. Alright. 4. Yeah.
You also have burnt ends. Is that
Burnt ends?
Yeah.
108.
Big Sky. Let's see what's. We're waiting for the burnt ends. Oh, that's not it.
Is that your number? Yeah, perfect. Take those two for you.
Oh, those shit. Thank you. No, that's one. You got it? Okay, thank you. Not bad. Let's take a vid. Some vid. Let me move this. I need to get some sauce. I'll be back. Let's get a shot of this.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe for your boy. Anyways, see you guys on the next video.